Hey friends. So, I just did an article on artificial intelligence, specifically Photoshop's artificial intelligence. They have a really cool panel of all these neural filters that you can do to modify your images. And this came up for me today. So, I have a webinar that I'm doing and I'm going to be a panelist for it. And I wanted to match the headshot to what the other panelists are doing, and they're doing headshot with white background. But I don't usually use this headshot because I always feel like I look a little washed out, like I need more makeup on. And I'm not going to go in and paint makeup on my face using Photoshop. I've seen people do that, but it's tedious. I have no time for that. But here's the cool thing. I'm in Photoshop right now, as you can see. I'm going to make a duplicate of this layer, so I'm not working on my original. And then I'm going to go to their new neural filters, and there's literally one called Transfer Makeup. So let's go there and see how that works. So I am going to have to choose Makeup Transfer. There's all these other ones. I think there's even more than that because I thought there was like 20 of them, but these few are showing, and we're only doing Makeup Transfer for now. So first thing I have to do is select an image, and I picked this one online. I Googled natural makeup, and this is what comes up. And if you're like me, natural makeup isn't that's a little not natural, but it's lovely. Oh, and actually, you can see it popped it on me already. So this is good. This is good because this is too much for me. The image we're trying to follow. This is much more my style, just subtle. So I'm going to say okay to that. Let's go ahead and do that one. And then here, I'll show you the difference. I'm going to turn this new layer on or off, the new layer we created. I'm going to turn it off, and you can see how the eyes are popping back and forth. One thing I can see just very subtly, I don't know if you can see it, is the mouth goes a little bit. It doesn't really do anything, I guess, but it seems like my teeth kind of change a little. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a layer mask, and that basically is going to say anything that is painted black gets not viewed. You can view the image below. It doesn't show up on here. So I will take the paintbrush tool, and I'm on black, and I'm just going to paint over my mouth area. And you can see over here on the mask panel that there's a black mark there. So now when I turn it on and off, only the eyes pop. But isn't that awesome? So yeah, I wish I could just do that in real life. Copy her makeup, woof, and then it's done. That'd be awesome. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to try Photoshop, I am going to put this on YouTube, and there's a link below, and you can check it out yourself. I think it's $22 a month for Photoshop, and they might have a free trial. I think they're starting to do that a little bit, so I'll clarify that when I put together the information for it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it.